Welcome everyone. Now today I'll start with the second part of my video, JRC ECDIS 9201, explaining various features. So I continue with where I stopped. In my last video I have shown the chart section. Now I proceed to user chart. So as I have shown route planning a user chart, I'll make separate video that will helpful in making your passage planning, and you don't have to switch around. So I'll make one video for this route planning and user chart in passage planning when I'll be coming up. So after user chart, next section comes up logbook. Logbook is nothing, just list of events, positions, whatever you have done during the voyage. So this is the event name, local time, and the position. So if you have plotted any manual fixed position, suppose this manual fixed position, when this manual fixed position was plotted, where, date, time, bearing used, everything, all thing you can get. You have two LOPs were used, bearing. So this is a PSC point of view or any inspection point of view, whether passage plan, people position plotting interval being followed or not, they can check through this feature, logbook feature, and it is also helpful for getting the previous positions for you. So, and what alert, navigation alert you have got during your voyage or particular period, this is. Then what system alert, when your system alert you have gone, if there is system alert and which is of concern, you will get the comment here. So this is your logbook feature. Next comes TTAIS, target tracking and AIS. So in this feature you will get all the information regarding AIS. So AIS voyage data, everyone knows it shows the voyage data, your destination and everything. You want to put your destination. So normally everyone updates on AIS and it automatically comes in on ECDIS. Next is edit and send AIS message. If you want to send AIS message, safety message, broadcast or something, just enter the MMSI number. If you want to address a particular vessel, if you want to broadcast to everyone, just click on broadcast. Then what kind of message it is, safety message or routine message, just and then type your message, blah 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 blah, and then you send it and save. You want to save that message, you can save it and then you can send it, and your AIS message will be sent. Next is AIS message tray. This is AIS message tray. What all AIS messages you have received. Click on clipping, you will get the mayday day or what messages. So you can make a practice during a watch, read all the AIS messages you have received to avoid any difficulty during inspections, including this navtext message. So navtext feed is in this ECDIS, so I am getting the navtext messages also. This is the navtext message. So this is the navtext message. I want to see where this submarine cable repairing work is going on, whether it is coming in my route or something. Just click on jump, it will jump. So okay, this is the area where submarine repair job is in progress. Just if it is coming in your route, just mark the area with your user map and area to be avoided or cable work in progress, navigate with caution. All information, this user map information we keep for navigating officers to get an alert. Now if there is any active alert, you will get the list of active alert here. Then here is the alert history, what all alarms you have got in past, all the alert history you will get. Here is the maintenance info. This is AIS, this is what your vessel AIS information, own ship data. It is showing own ship data. What is information set in AIS you have set, it will show. Last log target, any target which was lost, you can see the list here. So I close this. So then is highlighting. If you want to highlight any particular search, means you want to highlight the targets which are in your minimum CPA limit, TCPA limit. Suppose all the targets you want to highlight which are coming in your CPA limit, TCPA limits of 10 minutes or CPA limit of suppose 0.5 mile. So if you click on this, all the targets which are having TCPA 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, CPA less than 0.5 minutes will be highlighted. So it is basically setting up TCPA and TCPA in your ECDIS. Then if you want to highlight the target which are coming from opposite way, same way, which direction, particular direction also you can search off. Now next is AIS. Same way, if you want to any particular type of ships, category of ships which you want to highlight, you can simply, if you can click on navigation there, I want to keep clear of all the vessels which are not under command. So any vessel whose AIS status is not under command will be highlighted in your ECDIS screen, so you will come to know, okay, this vessel is not under command. It is a very good feature to be used. Now next in AIS TT list is own ship data. I've already shown, last is already shown. So this AIS feature is also finished. Now next feature is tools. So what all features will get in the tools, you can see. So I click on tools, MOB. If you have man overboard situation, the most quick method is to click on this event section. If I click on event mark, I may write man overboard instead of going to tools and then going to MOB. It is showed in this. And next is on your keyboard section also there is a button given, MOB. Just press that button. This MOB is there. See, MOB button is there. Just press this button. Man overboard is very critical situation. You don't have to waste time searching for these options. It is there. Then EBL, VRM, PI, EBL maneuver, manual position fix. These all options I'm going to explain you. MOB, EBL, VRM, everyone knows. For EBL, VRM, you have given the knobs on the keyboard. No need for going here and there. Just this is the knob for EBL, VRM. So close it. So this is EBL, VRM. So what VRM control, VRM1 control I want. Just press this button, and then see your VRM is changing. In this corner you see VRM is changing. Same way for EBL, press this, then EBL1 control, okay, and then just click. See this is also changing EBL. So for EBL, VRM, use these knobs. Okay, then next feature we goes to where we are tool section we were in. So PI, parallel indexing, very useful during TSS transit, coastal water transit, narrow channels, PI transit. So what I want to display individual lines. So this is index line 1. Set your PI bearing, interval, what nautical mile interval you have given. Suppose 1 nautical mile interval I have to set. Leg length, left and right, how many nautical mile? 1 mile, enter. 1 mile, enter. 110. Then what you want, floating, screen fix, what type of EBL you want to set. Then display, your EBL will be displayed. Abhi you can set the bearing, suppose 180. So this feature you can check when actually you are using it, means when you are approaching some narrow channel. I am in this open sea area. Anyway, this feature anybody can be used it. Next is this PI feature, instead of going inside this, is given on your keyboard also. This PI, click on PI. See, we have gone directly to that feature. PI, click on PI here. So off, PI off. So now I come to next feature of tools, manual position fix. Position fixing, mark plotting LOPs, line of positions during pilotage, approach and all is here. This is LOPs feature. So LOP1, ignore this. If your time has been taken through AIS or something, feed is there, you can ignore this section. What you want, bearing or distance, suppose I want bearing, mark bearing 1, then set, then again bearing, mark bearing 2, then set, then click on plot. What type of position is, you want to set plotted position, offset to plotted position. If I click, alarm will come because my vessel is in different position, so I'm not clicking on this. If you click on set plotted position, it will ask what type of plot type it is, DR, EP, suppose it is EP, then what method you have taken, low and radar range, visual, suppose I have taken visual range and bearing, or visual bearing and radar range. Visual bearing I have taken. What command means, suppose when a land object I have taken, command and close, and then click on clear all lines. EP has been plotted. You see this orange section, EP has been plotted. If you want to position offset, means if you want to enter any offset position, just click on this, enter offset. If you will enter offset, means what GPS position your DGPS or GPS is given, it will offset with that position, means by that number of minutes, the number of offset we have set. Okay, node fixed EBL, fixed EBL VRM and US2, this feature is there. Now cursor readout, if I use cursor readout, wherever I'll move a cursor now, I'll get this readout information. Suppose cursor pick, see, chart legend, update log, everything you can do. So if I switch on my cursor readout, see, it will always reading out something. User chart, simple line, user chart, warning line. So it will automatically read out, means you don't have to right click and cursor pick the information. But if you don't want this, you can deselect this option, but it's very useful option, you should be used. If I disconnect, no, it will not show anything. Then I have to right click, I click on cursor pick, then I'll get the information, what kind of information it is. So this is cursor readout feature. Close. So next is in tools, file manager. File manager is importing, exporting files from your pen drive, from your connected ECDIS or planning station. Just click on file manager, see what you want to, root file you want to transfer, user chart you want to transfer, target track you want to transfer, whatever thing you want to transfer, just click on. And where you want to send, means if I connect pen drive, it put pen drive in this drop down menu, pen drive will come, then transfer this route to some pen drive or something. This is the feature of file manager. See, now my number one like this and RPS is connected. I want to send some route from here to there, this feature can be used, but it will be sending this RTM type of file, because this Jan 9201 user user map is a .uchm format and root is .rtm format. If you have old JRC ECDIS, there is .rtn and RTA format. For that you have to convert your root. How to convert your root to RTN old format, I'll show when I will be doing the passage planning. Then I'll show how to transfer root in old formats, so that you can use in your old ECDIS also. So next I'll moving forward. This video is also going too long, so I think I have to make part 3 of this video, and in part 3 hopefully I'll try to complete all these features of ECDIS. We are 80% complete, so I'll complete rest of the features in my next video. Keep watching, do subscribe, stay safe, bye bye, thank you.